There are a few ways in which we can simplify our big O notation, and we'll look at a few of those as we go through this section. The first that we're going to look at is called drop constants. So we're going to start this with this same for loop that we had in the last video that was O of n. But we're going to make a change to this. We're going to add a second for loop right after this. It's identical, except we're going to change it from an I to a J, but is otherwise identical. They are each going to run n times. So let's flip over to VS Code and have a look at this. Okay, so there is our function with two for loops, and we're going to run this with the number 10. And you can see our output there. It goes from 0 through 9 here, and another 0 through 9 here. It's just the exact same thing running twice. So we pass this the number 10 here, and it printed out 20 items. So let's flip back over. So this ran n plus n times, or 2n times. Now you might think that we're going to write this as O of 2n, but we can simplify this by dropping the constant. So it doesn't matter if it's O of 2n, 10n, 100n, we drop the constant and we just write it as O of n. So our first rule for simplifying is drop constants.